Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Prerna and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this soft glam makeup look specially for the New Year's Eve. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching, and also if you find this video helpful or enjoy watching it, then please do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. To prime my face today, I'm going to take this pore minimizing primer by Faces Canada, and I'm going to apply it mainly on my T-zone. And for my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to take this one by Wet n Wild. And for my eyeshadow look today, I'm going to use this very famous Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to set the eyeshadow primer using that light shade, and taking this shade, a transition shade, I'm going to apply it on my crease. Then I'm going to take this dark brown shade from the palette and I'm going to deposit it on the outer corner of my eyelid and then bring it towards my inner corner. And taking that transition shade again, I'm going to blend out all the harsh edges. I'm going to take this light shimmery shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it with my finger on the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take this darker shimmery shade and apply it at the center of my eyelids. Taking this eyeliner by Lakme, I'm going to draw a small winged liner. For my foundation today, I'm going to use this Dream Satin foundation by Maybelline in the shade B5. I'm going to dot it all over my face first. Then I'm also going to add a few drops of facial oil by Good Vibes and I'm going to blend it out using a beauty sponge. Then I'm going to take this Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand and I'm going to apply it on all the places where I usually apply concealer. I'm going to take this small beauty sponge and blend out the concealer. I'm going to use the Airspun loose powders to set and lock the concealer in place. To bronze up my face today, I'm going to use this one by Sugar Cosmetics. And then to bring some life back to my face, I'm going to use this Color Icon blush by Wet n Wild in the shade Miller Wine. Then I'm going to spray some face mist by Mario Vadescu and dab off the excess product. Then to highlight my face, I'm going to use this highlighter by Wet n Wild again in the shade Precious Petals. I'm also going to use the same highlighter to highlight my inner corners, and then I'm going to mix the first brown shade and the transition shade to smoke out my lower lash line. And before I apply falsies, I'm going to use this Volume Million Lashes mascara by L'Oreal, and then I'm going to take this gel eyeliner by Maybelline and tightline my eyes. To line my lips today, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut and I'm going to apply Maybelline's lipstick in the shade Raw Cocoa and top it off with this nude lip gloss by Essence. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you liked this look. If you did, then do try it out on yourself because this look is very easy and very wearable. So I am hoping that you are going to try this for the New Year's Eve. I wish you a very happy New Year. May all your wishes and dreams come true in this coming year. And I also want to thank my subscribers and supporters for giving me so much love and support this year. I hope you will continue doing that in the upcoming years too. I'm really grateful to have you all in my life. And I'll see you in my next video next year. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you so much for watching.